Welcome to Module 2 of our online courses with title, Finding Profitable Affiliate Programs. Finding Profitable Affiliate Programs is designed to teach learners how to identify profitable affiliate programs that align with their niche and audience. The module covers three main topics. 1. Identifying your niche and audience. 2. Researching affiliate programs. 3. Evaluating affiliate programs for profitability. Here are some explanations and examples for each of these topics. Identifying your niche and audience. This topic focuses on helping learners identify their niche and audience, which is crucial for finding profitable affiliate programs. A niche is a specific topic or area of interest that you want to focus on in your affiliate marketing efforts. By choosing a niche, you can target a specific audience and provide them with valuable content and products that meet their needs. Examples of niches include health and wellness, for example, fitness, nutrition, mental health, etc. Personal finance, investing, budgeting, saving. Beauty and skincare, makeup, skincare, hair care. Technology, gadgets, software, gaming. To identify your niche and audience, you can start by brainstorming topics that interest you or that you have expertise in. You can also conduct market research to find profitable niches with high demand and low competition. This can involve using keyword research tools to identify popular search terms, analyzing your competitors' websites and social media accounts, and conducting surveys or focus groups to understand your audience's needs and preferences. Once you've identified your niche and audience, you can create a customer avatar to represent your ideal customer. This can help you understand their demographics, psychographics, pain points, desires, and aspirations. By understanding your audience, you can create content and products that resonate with them and that they are more likely to purchase. Researching affiliate programs. This topic covers the different types of affiliate programs and where to find them, as well as strategies for researching and evaluating their profitability. Affiliate programs are partnerships between advertisers and publishers, where publishers promote the advertiser's products or services and receive a commission for any resulting sales or leads. Examples of affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, promoting Amazon products; ClickBank, promoting digital products; Commission Junction, promoting a variety of products and services; ShareASale, promoting a variety of products and services. To research affiliate programs, you can start by looking at affiliate networks and individual company websites. You can also use online marketplaces to find a variety of affiliate programs in your niche. When researching affiliate programs, you should evaluate factors such as commission rates, product or service quality, conversion rates, and EPC, earnings per click. You should also read reviews and testimonials from other affiliates to gauge the program's reputation and success rate. At this moment, let's talk about evaluating affiliate programs for profitability. This topic covers the key metrics used to evaluate the profitability of affiliate programs, as well as tips and tools for assessing their potential profitability. Profitability in affiliate marketing refers to the amount of revenue you can generate from promoting a particular affiliate program. Key metrics for evaluating the profitability of affiliate programs include conversion rate, the percentage of clicks on your affiliate link that result in a sale or lead; earnings per click, EPC, the average amount of earnings you can generate per click on your affiliate link; return on investment, ROI, the amount of revenue you generate compared to the cost of promoting the affiliate program; customer lifetime value, CLV, the amount of revenue you can generate from a single customer over their lifetime. To evaluate the potential profitability of an affiliate program, you should analyze factors such as the product or service quality, commission rates and payout thresholds, competition in the market, and the target audience and their pain points. You can also use affiliate marketing software and analytics platforms to help. Here's a case study that illustrates how the strategies and techniques taught in this course can be applied to find profitable affiliate programs. Case study: John's Fitness Blog. John is a fitness enthusiast who runs a blog focused on health and fitness tips, product reviews, and workout routines. He wants to monetize his blog by promoting affiliate programs that align with his niche and audience. However, he's not sure where to start and how to find profitable programs. Step 1. Identify John's niche and audience. John's niche is health and fitness, and his target audience is people who are interested in living a healthy lifestyle, losing weight, and building muscle. He creates a customer avatar to represent his ideal reader, which includes demographic information, pain points, motivations, and interests. Step 2. Research affiliate programs. John researches different types of affiliate programs that could be a good fit for his blog, including fitness equipment, supplements, apparel, and digital products. He uses various tools and resources to find programs that offer high commissions, low refund rates, and good conversion rates. He also looks for programs that provide marketing materials, tracking tools, and customer support. Step 3. Evaluate affiliate programs for profitability. John evaluates each program based on their potential profitability, relevance to his niche and audience, and alignment with his values and goals. He looks at the program's commission structure, average order value, cookie duration, and payout frequency. He also reads reviews and feedback from other affiliates and customers to assess the program's reputation and reliability. Based on his research and evaluation, John decides to promote the following affiliate programs. Amazon Associates. This program offers a wide range of fitness-related products with high commissions and a long cookie duration. John can promote products such as workout equipment, supplements, and fitness trackers. Bodybuilding.com. This program specializes in fitness supplements and apparel and offers high commissions and a dedicated affiliate team. John can promote products such as protein powder, pre-workout supplements, and workout clothes. Beachbody. This program offers digital products such as workout videos and nutrition plans and provides high commissions and marketing materials. John can promote programs such as 21 Day Fix, Insanity, and P90X. By promoting these programs on his blog and social media channels, John is able to generate a steady stream of affiliate income while providing value to his readers. He also tracks his performance and adjusts his strategy based on the results, such as focusing on the programs that generate the highest commissions and conversions. This case study illustrates how the process of identifying your niche and audience, researching affiliate programs, and evaluating their profitability can help you find the best programs for your website or blog. By following these steps and applying the strategies and techniques taught in this course, you can maximize your affiliate marketing revenue and create a sustainable income stream. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support and hope you found our videos helpful and informative. We love creating content that inspires, educates, and entertains, and we couldn't do it without you. So please keep watching, commenting, and sharing, and let us know what topics or ideas you want us to cover in the future. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and let's stay connected. Thanks again for your support.